The county government, we also...
Just pause there.
Thank you.
The Capstrate dryer, who's running the Capstrate? It's government funded to a cooperative.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
The Mabuvuno dryer is a cooperative, right?
Yes.
What about Suegwa, Huruma?
It is a cooperative, but it did not receive the national dryer.
Now,
Yeah.
that tells you the committee knows, right? What about the county dryers that were purchased 2018, 2019?
For the case of Sinyereri,
Yes.
when we assumed office, there was a stalled dryer at Sinyereri Cooperative.
Yes.
We tried to look for ways of repairing, but the information was given by the mechanics and those people who operate that there were no spare parts to match the said dryer. And that's why up to date, we were unable to source where the dryers were bought from and how we can repair. So as we talk, the dryer is still there.
And not working.
Not working.
Let me through the chair, take you through the budgets, through the chair, and then allow people to talk.
Yes, ask questions.
I have a concern. Just a concern too.
Yes,
just want to raise your concern.
Yes, Governor. I hope you are raising it as Governor.
Yes.
Are we still talking about procurement and dispute of seed maize to farmers in Trans Nzoia? Because we have veered off the subject completely. We are talking about other people's harvest process.
Governor, let me just, understanding order 228.3, when you are invited to a committee to deal with a matter, there are related matters that the committee can ask. And if you have knowledge and the CCM seems to have knowledge, she can respond. If you don't have the information, you can seek time to avail documents, because there's the question of seed maize and this program is closely intertwined with the dryers, because that is about maize. That's what you use, you dry maize. And as I said, the CCM has a powerful voice and powerful responses that we all want to listen to.
Thank you, Chair.
We are about to start speculating. Because now you ask a question when somebody is giving an answer. You can't say that.
It's possible to say you don't know.
That we know everything from 2018 up to now. What happened in 2018? Like, fair.
Governor, you're the one who said you proceed. If there are questions that are asked and where you don't have information, CCM would have said no, I can get 7 days, because you will have time anyway to supply all the documents. You'll get time. Then you can appear next time after we've gone through these documents to respond to some of the things. You don't have to respond to everything on top of your head. CCM, I will protect you from the senator if he asks an intrusive question. And you can say you don't know and you need time to respond. Proceed, Senator.
Thank you, Chair. Thank you for this leverage, Chair, because as a committee we look from the inception of the program to the end of the program, so that evaluation, when it's done, the taxpayer of this republic must know there is value for money. Now I want to take us through a brief. As of 30th, 2023, Trans Nzoia recorded varied levels of budget utilization across its main programs. Under crop diversification program, actual expenditure amounted to 382 million against an approved allocation of 545 million. In the post-harvest management and value addition program, expenditure stood at 38 million compared to an approved estimate of 80 million plus. Why I'm asking this question is very fundamental to the process of ensuring that the farmer, when you give him the free maize with God's grace, without fertilizer, they harvest enough to dry it if they want surplus to sell, and that is what they can eat. Now, if with this budget you have stalled county dryers and running cooperative dryers run by the cooperatives, then what value are we adding as a government to the farmer of Trans Nzoia? And expected that when you said you have 8 other mobile dryers, you quickly tell us where they are and their status. And Kenyans are following to know whether those places have those dryers or the dryers are something else. Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Yes, CCM, respond if you're able to. If you need time, you can say.
Thank you, through the chair. I want to indicate that as a county government, we received the mobile dryers and we equally distributed to the 5 sub-counties. And they are usually run by the cooperatives. We began the initiative where cooperatives manage farmers' issues. 2, concerning the Sinyereri dryer, it is not like all dryers have stalled, and we are not in a position to procure the spare part of that particular dryer.